Do you want to be a millionaire? If yes, then view this video till end. Hi, I'm Puneet Mehra, Director Gandaram Jewelers. We have been in jewelry business since 1932. Jewelry for us is an art which makes moon feel beautiful. I have over 25 years of experience in jewelry and gold. I have been a guest host on CNBC Awaaj Gold Spot program for more than 7 times, where all experts discuss about the future prices of gold and silver. Gold is the best medium for investment. That's why Warren Buffett says, gold is God's own currency. कुछ लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि सोना खरीदना एक लग्जरी है. मैं कहता हूं कि सोना एक सबसे अच्छी लग्जरी है. यह ऐसी लग्जरी है जो सालाना आपको 10 से 15% की रिटर्न देती है और आप ही के पास रहती है और आप इसे इस्तेमाल भी करते हैं. Today, I'm going to share my 25 years of research and experience with you. If you look at the graph of kitco.com for last 50 years, gold is cheapest in the month of May of every year. And due to COVID-19, year 21 and 22 are most favorable for gold. So if you invest in gold today, you will see your investment doubling in next 3 to 4 years. And today we have come up with very special offer and lucrative offer for our first 50 customers. We are giving 22 karat hallmark gold chains at flat 5% making if you book it today by simply replying interested to this WhatsApp message or contact us at 9811675235. What are you waiting for? Reply fast and be among the first lucky customer to see you money grow.